Imagine a kitchen where your refrigerator automatically orders groceries when you're running low. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? Yet, this is the reality we're gradually stepping into as artificial intelligence revolutionizes our kitchens. From smart refrigerators that can sense when you're running out of milk and order it for you, to ovens that adjust cooking times and temperatures based on the freshness and type of ingredients you're using. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're practical tools designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and, let's not forget, tastier. In fact, AI can even suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge, helping you whip up a meal with what you have, reducing waste and saving you a last-minute trip to the grocery store. A smart kitchen that takes care of the grocery shopping and even helps you cook. Now that's a future we can get behind. But what if AI could do more than just help you cook? What if it could actually plan your meals for you? Imagine a world where technology takes into account your dietary needs, personal preferences, and health goals to create a meal plan just for you. It's not just about convenience, but also about making healthier choices. With the power of AI, you can receive recipe recommendations that are not only delicious, but also nutritionally balanced. No need to spend hours scouring the internet for the perfect meal plan or recipe anymore. AI has the capability to analyze the nutritional content of thousands of foods and ingredients. It can suggest meals that meet your specific dietary requirements, whether you're trying to cut back on sugar, increase protein intake, or simply maintain a balanced diet. No more guesswork, no more tedious planning, just a personalized, health-conscious meal plan at your fingertips. With AI in the kitchen, you could have a personalized chef and nutritionist all in one handy package. Now, here's the piece de resistance: cooking robots. Yes, you heard that right. Robots that can cook your meals for you. These marvels of modern technology are just beginning to stir up the culinary world. Picture this: a robot with the precision of a master chef preparing your favorite dish while you relax or focus on other tasks. Such robots could be the perfect sous chefs for busy individuals, freeing up precious time without compromising on the quality of home-cooked meals. Imagine the potential in institutional settings like schools or hospitals, where these robots could consistently provide high-quality, nutritious meals. Moreover, these automated cooking aids could be a game changer for those with limited mobility or cooking abilities. By providing assistance in meal preparation, they could help maintain independence and quality of life. Automated cooking robots might not replace the joy of cooking, but they certainly could make our lives a lot easier. Who wouldn't want a personal robot chef? So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of our kitchens. We've taken a journey through a world where smart appliances order groceries and adjust cooking times, where AI customizes meal plans and recipes to individual tastes and dietary needs. We've even seen how automated cooking robots could step in to prepare gourmet meals. While the AI kitchen of the future might seem like a far-off dream, the reality is that it's closer than you think, and it's set to revolutionize the way we prepare and enjoy our food.